Welcome back. Around 30 shacks were demolished in Arambol Mandre area. This demolition drive has commenced after High Court's order to demolish shacks and restaurants violating the CRZ norms. However, 20 shack owners got a stay order. In total, there are 150 illegal shacks in Arambol Mandre area. The demolition drive was held amidst police security.
वर्षा आम्ही धंदे आम्ही करून येयलेत न्हू आनी आमचे काही एक ना कित्याक वर्षा आम्ही येती ओडीएचे जीवार निश्चयाचे जीवार धंदे करताले आतां फॉरेनरांक लागून आमकां हो धंदो एक असो आनीक मातसो आमी हेचे वरसून आमी मातशें वयर सरलेले ओके आनी व्हडलें आमी करूंक पावंक नासले खाली नुस्तें विकताले आतां हे झोपड्यो आहा त्या झोपड्यांनी कितें करताले ज्यूस जावं चाव कॉफी असलें विकून आमी आतां माडाची आडसरां काडून आमी फॉरेनरांक खपयताले हो धंदो आमी आतां चालू दवरलेलो.
मोर दॅन 20 कस्टमर काडले
आणि
एक शॅक नाही एक शॅक काढला बाकीचे हट्स काढले.
टोटल कितली असली मॅडम?
टोटल 47 प्लस हे 51.
केन्नापर्यंत कंप्लीट जातले अशें?
कंप्लीट जाता तशी काडटात आमी.
लोकांचे तातूंत कितें म्हणणें कितें आसा?
नो कमेंट्स.
म्हाका सांग आमी खंय वचपाचें? गव्हर्मेंटान गेले जाल्यार आमकां कांय एक धंदो ते दिना सर्वीस दिनात. आमी आनी कितें करपाचें खंय वचपाचें आमी तुमी तरी आमकां सांगात. आमी हेका हायकोर्टाक आमकां येले आमी पांयां पडल्यो आमची हे मोडू नाकात आमकां खाली फक्त एक 8 दीस तरी आमकां दिया म्हणून सांगले. आमकां योग दीस पासून तेंच्यांनी दिवंक ना. एक्चुली आमकां तेंच्यांनी 7 तारीख दिल्ली मोडटल्यो म्हणून जाल्यार आतां तेंच्यांनी कितें काय म्हटल्यार 27 तारीख केली आनी आतां हे 27 तारखेर येवन आमचे आतां मोडून वतात. आमी खंय वचपाचें आतां आमी कितें करपाचें?
National Science Day was celebrated on Thursday in the state. Dr. K.B. Hedgewar High School had organized a science exhibition on the occasion. Various projects prepared by the students were kept on display. Meanwhile, Science Fiesta, organized by Goa Science Center, concluded on Thursday.
Students had prepared around 250 projects using scientific method. It was kept on display on Thursday as a part of National Science Day.
Last 1 month we had a scrutinizing round wherein every child was asked to do the project, and from each class, that is from 5th to 9th standard, we selected best 10 from each class, and today they are competing in the science project fair.
Meanwhile, Science Fiesta, organized by Goa Science Center and Department of Science, Technology and Environment, concluded on Thursday. The event was inaugurated on Tuesday. Exhibition focused on scientific research by institution depicting their activities, latest development and avenues and opportunities for youth. Our video journalist Prajot Pednekar for Prudent.
And now news from sports. Sarvodaya Royals from Sangain topped Group B while Dempo Cricket Club finished second to qualify for the semi-finals of Yes Bank GPL T20 tournament at Porvorim. The Group A semi-finalists will be known on Friday as the Group of Death is open after Silgaonkar Sport Club's fantastic victory over Colombo Warriors on Wednesday.
Put into bat, Sarvodaya Royals cantered to a huge total of 189 runs, losing 7 wickets on Thursday morning. In reply, Chogle Warriors could only manage to score 121 runs, losing by 68 runs. Sarvodaya opener Shivakant Shukla was man of the match with his superb 75-run knock.
Tell us about your inning. What was your role in the match today, and how did you go about it?
Actually, my role in the match was my batting lineup is to play for almost all the 20 overs, and I just did today, and it is very satisfying innings actually, contributing in the victory. So I'm very happy.
How was the pitch?
Oh, pitch a good batting wicket actually. You know, every time we go here and score 119 20 over, this means the batting paradise. So it's a nice wicket to bat on.
And later on in the bowling, you also did well, picked up some wickets. So did you get help from the pitch while bowling as well?
No, actually I was trying to bowl a little bit slow, not trying to give any pace to the batsman to have some big shots. And that's all. We have got a good fielding side. They supported well the bowlers, and so I got wicket. Happy for that also.
Shubhkant, well done and keep up your good form for the crucial phase of the tournament, which is the knockout round.
In the second match of the day, Dempo Cricket Club crushed visiting IPCA team from Chandigarh with a 10-wicket victory. IPCA were bowled out for 70 runs. Dempo opener Yogesh Takwale smashed an unbeaten half-century to take his side to a 10-wicket victory. He was named man of the match.
Yogesh, your inning provided us fantastic entertainment. Is this your natural style of batting?
हाँ, मैं ऐसे ही बैटिंग करता हूँ. अनफॉर्चुनेटली फर्स्ट गेम में जल्दी आउट हुआ था और सेकंड गेम में तो बैटिंग नहीं आया था और हमारे ओपनर्स ने जो जॉब पूरा कर दिया था सेकंड मैच. तो मैंने आज बोला शगुन को कि आज थोड़ा नॉकिंग प्रैक्टिस कर लेता हूँ सेमीफाइनल के लिए. तो थैंक्स टू शगुन एंड कोच. जो 11 प्लेयर खेलते वो बेस्ट 11 प्लेयर रहते 11 में खेलते. तो सब लोग अपना अपना रोल जानते, इंपॉर्टेंस जानते और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी जानते. तो वी बिलीव अच्छा करने की कोशिश करेंगे सेमीफाइनल में.
आप कीपिंग भी करते हैं क्या? आप रेगुलर कीपर है या बैट्समैन कीपिंग करते हैं इसलिए आपको कीपर लिया जाता है ताकि एक ऑप्शन रहता है टीम के पास?
नहीं, मैं जब से मैंने क्रिकेट स्टार्ट किया अंडर 14, 16, 19, 22 इवन रणजी ट्रॉफी मैं एज अ विकेट कीपर खेल चुका हूँ 14, 16, 19 और रणजी ट्रॉफी में ज़्यादा किया नहीं की थी. तो एक साल त्रिपुरा के लिए भी खेला था लेकिन उधर एज अ विकेट कीपर खेल रहा हूँ.
तो आपकी कीपिंग में कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट लाने की आपको आवश्यकता है ऐसा लगता है?
नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा सोचता नहीं. एज अ बैट्समैन, एज अ विकेट कीपर, एज अ फील्डर मैं एक ही सबको कहना चाहूँगा, सिर्फ बॉल वॉच करो, बाकी कुछ नहीं. कीप इट सिंपल.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.